Hello, Ago. Do you know how to introduce yourself in Ga? Ole boni keji okamoku kwe. Oba introduce uhe alo ba joeshin ochonle. Today, our lesson is all about that. It's about learning how to introduce yourself in the Ghanaian Ga language. Ngene noji no krede ni wata waka se ebiene. Keji otehe konu okamoku yakpe. Alo namuko yegbeno. Alo okemuko nshina te oba feten ni ochon oshishi hu. How do you introduce yourself in Ga? That is our lesson today. So let's get right into it. Okay. Now first thing jiakeshi. Keji okemuko kwe oba bi egbe. That is when you meet someone, it's common to ask their name, his or her name. So how do you ask somebody their name in Ga? You would say, Te achobuten. There are different ways of asking people their name in Ga. So one common way is Te achobuten. Try and repeat it after me. Te achobuten. Te achobuten. Okay? Te achobuten. Te achobuten. And then you would respond. If you were the one being asked, you would respond achomi. Then you say your name. Achomi. Well, for example, achomi kwe. Obake achomi kwe. Kemo achomi kwe. Kemo means say. So I'm asking you to repeat after me. Kemo achomi kwe. Well, the kwe is my name. So achomi, and then you say your name. Achomi. Achomi. Then you say your name. So let me ask you the question and see if you got that lesson. So, te achobuten. So I'm asking you your name in Ga. Te achobuten. Can you give it a try? Come on, achomi. Achomi. And then say your name. Achomi. Then you say your name. So now, another common way of asking people their name is Mini ji ogbe. Mini ji ogbe. So gbe is name in Ga. So literally they're asking you, what is your name? Okay, the first one is how or what are you called? What are you called? Which is te achobuten. This one is many ji ogbe. Many ji ogbe. Many ji ogbe. What is your name? Many ji ogbe. So repeat it after me. Many ji ogbe. Many ji ogbe. Of course, ye Ghanaian. Wo yemo titriwe woke politeness jioshishin. Iwo bake please. Ni ji ofai na ye Ghanaian. Ofai na. Iwo ofai na many ji ogbe. It makes it more polite. Okay? Especially ke o meet moko for the first time. Alo moko ni je unanyo alo je moko ni pete ohe. Someone you're not all that close with. It's common to use please or ofine before the question. It is polite. They will know what I recommend wahabo. Yeah, I speak Ga. Okay? Amakai boyoko wakeshi. You're an I speak Ga, and on I speak Ga, what I speak Ga, we promote the speaking, learning, reading, and writing of our beautiful Ga language. Well, remember to subscribe if you're new here, and leave a comment in the comment section. Just type new, and then whatever comments you want to add. If you're enjoying this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, leave a like on the video. Now we're back to our lesson. Te achobuten wahonohe. We passed that one and we went to many jugbe. The same response. Oh, achomi. Then you say your name. Or you could say ngbeji. Then you say your name. Achomi. Or ngbeji. Then you say your name. Okay? So ngbeji, my name is. Ngbe, my name. Ji is. My name is. my name is, then you say your name. Mbeji, then you say your name. Mbeji. You try it. Just repeat it after me. Mbeji, and then you say your name. Great, wonderful. Mbeji, then you say your name. So that's asking somebody their name or someone asking you your name and then you responding. The next bit is Nembe Oje. Where are you from? You want to know where the person is from. Otauniole heni eje. Heni money okele pe alo money okeyu alo money okeshina eje. Where the person comes from. It was a common phrase to use, Diake. Nembe Oje. Nembe Oje. Nembe Oje. Where are you from? Nembe Oje. Nembe Oje. Because you want to know where the person is from. You want to know where they are from. So, Nembe Oje. Where are you from? Nembe Oje. Nembe means whereabouts or where. Where are you from? Nembe Oje. Nembe Oje. Can you repeat it after me? Say, Nembe Oje. Nembe Oje. Where are you from? Okay, so if you get asked this question, how do you respond? How do you respond? For example, if you're from Mamprobi, if you're from Dansuma, if you're from London, if you're from New York, if you're from Beijing, you just say Nje or Ofaine Nje. As I said earlier on, we use the Ofaine to be polite. So, Ofaine Nje Beijing, Ofaine Nje Dansuma, Ofaine Nje Mamprobi, Ofaine Nje. Then you say the name of the place you're from. You get it so far? If you're enjoying the lesson, please hit the like button. And if you're new here, if you haven't subscribed to our channel on I Speak Ga, we promote the speaking, learning, reading, and writing of our beautiful Ga language. So please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you'd always get our new videos anytime we release them. You'll be among the first people ni oninibashe or videos no. It will subscribe. Be an subscribe. Have you subscribed? Great. I know you've subscribed. So let's continue our lessons. Ofaine Nje. Then you say the name of the place you're from. You enjoying it so far? Great. So the next thing is you maybe want to find out the person's age. If it's something that is of interest to you, or if it's something that is polite to ask, there's a whole issue about ethics around asking people their age. Okay, so I won't get into that. But if the situation demands that you know the person's age, you can ask them. Afi enye oye. Afi means year or years. Afi is years. Afi is year. So afi enye, how many years? How many years? Afi enye oye. So literally means how many years have you celebrated? How many years have you celebrated? Or how many years have you celebrated? How many years have you enjoyed? How many years have you had? What is your age? How old are you? Okay? Afi enye oye. Hello? Ofaine afi enye oye. Ofaine is just being polite. Ofaine afi enye oye. How many years are you? Or what age are you? Or how many years have you celebrated? Or how many years do you have? Afi enye oye. Okay? Afi enye oye. Can you try and repeat it after me? Afi enye oye. So that's asking the person's name. Asking the person's age. Okay? How would you respond when you're asked your age? It's simple. Obake, miye afi, then you say your age. Miye afi, then you say your age. Of course, if you check out our lesson on the numbers, you would get a clue as to how to respond or the correct number to use. Okay, so for example, if you're 15, if you're 16, if you're 17, if you're 18, you say, Iye afi 15, di nyuma ke inumo. 18, nyuma ke kpanyo. Iye afi nyuma ke kpanyo. If you're 26, Iye afi nyuma enyo ke ikpa. Iye afi nyuma enyo ke ikpa. Iye afi, then you add your age. Yes? Excited? If you're excited, please show your excitement. Give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Remember again, on I Speak Ga, we promote the speaking, learning, reading, and writing of our beautiful Ga language. So if you're enjoying the lesson, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, please make sure you share this video with a friend, a family member who you believe would get some benefit, get some value out of this video. So let's continue. The next thing is, how do you tell the person that you're pleased to have met them or you're pleased to meet them? As you would say, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm very happy to meet you. Te obake le ten ye gamne. How do you say it in Ga? Te obake obahamu ale akeshin omi shoy ake uname. How do you let the person know that you're excited to have met them? So you can use a number of phrases, but I would recommend some of these as, oh, imi shehe ake minabu. I'm glad I have met you. I'm glad I have seen you. Mimi eshehe ake inabu. Mimi eshehe ake inabu. Try and repeat after me. Mimi eshehe ake inabu. I'm glad I have seen you. So there are a few recommendations for this. Iwo oba tackle in ke other bits and pieces. Yeah, part 2 of the video. Okay? Iwo Thank you very much for learning with us today. Please do come back to part 2 of this video and check out our other videos. Your channel Neno. And I Speak Ga or feel or promote the speaking, learning, reading and writing of our beautiful Ga language. Ewo ke sao here be osha nyemi boda itogba shonke ke video ne sao here be osha. That is, if you're happy with this video, please subscribe and share it. Let somebody hear about it. Okay? Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay well, abanabu. And remember to share the love and beauty of our wonderful Ga language. Stay safe. Abanabu.